Good morning, children. Today we are going to discuss about the factorization. Factorization means expressing it into two or more factors. Two or more factors. Then that is called factorization. So here we are having two methods to find factorization. First method number one is using algebraic identities. The next one is grouping of terms. So in algebraic identities means whatever the identities that are there. Example, I am taking a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square and so on. These identities we are going to use and we are going to do the factorization. Whereas grouping of terms means we are going to place the terms close and like terms at one place and we are going to factorize. So this is the second method and we are going to continue by doing the problems. Children, so factorization can be done in the following methods. Now, in the first method is using algebraic identities. So we will start with factorization using algebraic identities. So factorization using algebraic identities. Then we already studied about the different types of identities in day 1's class. Now we are going to take one example and we are going to solve. In that, the first question I am taking, factorize x to the power of 6 minus y to the power of 6. This question I am going to do factorization. So here this x to the power of 6 minus y to the power of 6, I am expanding it into x cube whole square minus y cube whole square. Now it is the form of a to the power of m into a to the power of n. So 3 2s are 6. I got x to the power of 6 here. 3 2s are 6. Then 6. Now this is in the form of a square minus b square. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b, where a equal to x cube, comma b equal to y cube. I am going to substitute in this identity, that is x cube plus y cube into x cube minus y cube. Okay, children. Again here this x cube plus y cube, that is in the form of a cube plus b cube, is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. And also this one same, a cube minus b cube, that's equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So in these both the cases, a is equal to x comma b is equal to y. I am going to substitute this x and y in these two identities. Now that will be x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. Now this is for x cube plus y cube is x plus y into x square minus y square, x square minus xy plus y square. So here I am expanding this a cube, I am going to substitute in this formula here. I am going to get that formula. Next is x cube minus y cube is equal to x minus y into x square plus xy plus y square. So that's equal to, I am writing in order, x plus y into x minus y, and the next is x square minus xy plus y square. Next is x square plus xy plus y square. So So these are the factors for x to the power of 6 minus y to the power of 6. So this is the question how we are going to factorize by using algebraic identity. So here I have used two identities. One is a square minus b square, and the next is a cube plus b cube and a cube minus b cube. Then after factorizing, I am going to get these factors. So these are the factors for x to the power of 6 and y to the power of 6. Children, next from your textbook, page number 5.25, ninth question I am going to teach you now. Children, ninth question from page number 5.25. The question is one factor of x cube minus x square plus x minus 1 is, what is the one of the factor for this expression? So here we are going to use the trial and error method. Simply I am going to substitute the values, then we will check it. So here I am taking f of x is equal to x cube minus x square plus x minus 1. So here when I am substituting the x value, I need to get the value 0. Then that means the remainder should be 0. Then only that value will be the factor. So here I am taking let x equal to minus 1. Then I am going to substitute in this expression here. F of x is equal to minus 1. That is f of x means indirectly minus 1. F of minus 1 is equal to minus 1 cube minus of minus x square plus of minus 1 minus 1. That is equal to f of minus 1 equal to minus 1 cube is minus 1 minus of minus 1 square is minus 1 into minus 1, that's equal to plus 1. Plus into minus is minus 1 minus 1, that equal to minus 1. Indirectly minus into plus is minus 1 minus 1 minus 1. So how many ones are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. The value is minus 4 is not equal to 0. Therefore x plus 1 is not a factor here. Then I am going to take x is equal to 1. Then f of 1 equal to 1 cube minus of 1 square plus 1 minus 1. 1 cube value is 1 minus 1 square value is 1 plus 1 minus 1. So plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1. That value is equal to 0. That means x equal to minus 1. That implies x equal to minus 1. Now I am bringing this x1 value to right side, that's equal to x minus 1 equal to 0. Hence x minus 1 is a factor of the given expression x cube minus x square plus x minus 1. So here once again I am explaining I am thinking this expression as f of x. Now by trial and error methods, I may substitute x equal to minus 1 or minus 2 or plus 2 or minus 2 or these expressions, and we need to get the value 0. Then I am going to substitute first x equal to minus 1, and I am substituting f of minus 1 is equal to minus 1 cube minus of minus 1 square plus of minus 1 minus 1. Then after simplification I am going to get minus 4. Minus 4 is not equal to 0. Then x equal to minus 1 is not a factor. Next I am taking x equal to 1 and f of 1 equal to 1 cube minus of 1 square plus 1 minus 1. Now after simplification I am getting 0. That means x equal to 1 is a factor. Now this x equal to 1, this one I am taking to right side, then automatically x minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore x minus 1 is a factor of the given expression x cube minus x square plus x minus 1. One factor is x minus 1. The remaining factors will be different. Children, second method of factorization is grouping of terms. So here we are going to group the terms and then we are going to factorize. So how we are going to group the terms? We will see. Either we may be splitting or we may be doing multiplication and subtraction. Then we are going to do. So here the first question is, that is 12th question from your textbook 5.45 page number, that is factorize 6x square plus x minus 2. So here 6x square plus x minus 2, I need to factorize. So here grouping, I am not using any identity. I said clearly grouping of terms. So grouping of terms means, so here first we need to arrange the expression in descending order of power of x. So here x square term, the next term and the constant term. So it is in descending order. Now multiply the first term and the last term of the expression, that is 6x square into minus 2. Then what is the value I am getting? Minus 12x square. What are the factors of minus 12x square? 1 into, first I am taking 1 into 12, and next is 2 into 6, 3 into 4, and reverse. So here when I am adding or subtracting, so I am taking first factors of 12, then when I am adding or subtracting, I need to get the middle term here. That means 3 plus 4, minus 3 I am taking, and plus 4. Minus 3 plus 4 is plus 1. Okay, that is minus 3x comma 4x. Multiply these two, is I am getting minus 12, plus into minus is minus, 3 4s are 12, x into x is x square. Or one more method I am showing, minus 12x square. So here minus 3x and 4x. When I am multiplying these two, is I am getting the same, minus 12x square. And when I am adding or subtracting these two terms, I am getting x. So these are the factors of 12x square, that is minus 3x and 4x. Why I am taking minus for the lesser number? Because here the middle term is positive. So when I am adding these two, I need to get the positive term. That's why I am taking minus for the 3, not for the 4, because 4 is greater than 3. Now here I am going to split. That is 6x square minus 3x plus 4x minus 2. See, minus 3x plus 4x equal to plus x. Now in these, what is common? 3x is common because 6 is divisible by 3. So I am taking 3 common, and in both the cases x is there. So 3x I am taking common. After taking 3x, what is the remaining? 2x, because 2 3s are 6. X into x square is x into x is x square. So I got this value. Minus, so already 3x gone. The remaining will be 1. Plus, in these what is common? 2 I am taking common because in both cases 4 is divisible by 2. So I am taking 2 common because x term only for 4x, x term is there, not for the constant. So I am taking 2 common. 2 into, so remaining will be 2x minus 1, because 2 gone means minus 1 here. Again in these, what is common? 2x minus 1 is common. 2x minus 1 into, remaining term is 3x and plus 2. So these are the factors of 6x square plus x minus 2. This is called as, this method is called as grouping of terms. So children, once again I am explaining. The first arrange this expression in descending order of power x. Now it is in descending order only. So here for the grouping of terms, we need to multiply the first term and the last term should be multiplied. I am multiplying first term and last term should be multiplied. I am getting an answer of 12x square. Now first I am going to take the factors of 12. That is 1 into 12, 2 into 6, 3 into 4. Now here I am taking x means automatically I am going to get the value. Now I have to take the condition that when I am adding or subtracting the factors, I need to get the middle term. Here 1 I need to get. Where I am going to get 1? Minus 3 plus 4 equal to 1. Okay. So that means minus 3x comma 4x are the, when I am adding these two, I am getting x. And when I am multiplying these two, I am getting the same answer, minus 12x square. Hence, these are the factors of minus 12x square. Now I am going to substitute here. Then in this I am taking 3x common, the remaining will be 2x minus 1, and here 2 I am taking common, remaining will be 2x minus 1. Again in these 2x minus is common, and remaining terms I am writing. So these are the factors of 6x square plus x minus 1. Children, same way I am taking question number 20, factorize a to the power of 5 into b minus a into b to the power of 5. Same again by grouping of terms. So here in these two, what is common? A is common and also b is common because AB. Now a is common, b is common. So if I am taking ab common, so here already a to the power of 1 gone. The remaining will be a to the power of 4. Here b to the power of 1 already here it is there. So as it is, minus a already gone here, then b to the power of 4. Now ab into, now is it a square whole square? A to the power of 4 is minus b square whole square. Now ab into, now it is the form of a square minus b square formula. A square minus b square formula, that is equal to a plus b into a minus b, where a equal to a square comma b is equal to b square. I am going to substitute these a square and b square values in this identity. That equal to ab as it is, I am taking a plus b is a square plus b square into a square minus b square. Now see, a square minus b square, again same formula. Okay, now that will be ab into a square plus b square into a square minus b square formula is a plus b into a minus b. So this is the factors of a to the power of 5 b minus a into b to the power of 5. Next question I am taking, that is question number 25. See children, 25th question. Factorize m to the power of 7 minus, plus m to the power of 4. Same method. So m to the power of 4 I am taking common. Then m to the power of 3. 3 plus 4 is 7. Plus already m to the power of 4 gone, remaining will be 1. Now it is equal to m cube plus, is 1 cube value equal to 1? So here now this is in the form of a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square, where a equal to m comma b equal to 1. I am going to substitute these values in this expansion. Now that is equal to m to the power 4 as it is. I am not disturbing. Next, m plus 1 into m square minus m into 1 plus 1 square, that equal to m to the power 4 into m plus 1 into m square minus m plus 1. So these are the factors of m to the power of 7 plus m to the power of 4. So the next question is factorize, that is 24th question. Factorize 1 by 6 a square minus a plus 4 by 3. Okay. So here I am expanding in this. Children, here I am taking 1 by 6 a square. I am making all the denominators equal. So I am dividing and multiplying by 6 into a. So here automatically I am going to get the same value, minus a, plus 4 by 3. Then how much I need to multiply to get the denominator? 6. That is, I am dividing and multiplying by 2 by 2. So automatically if I am cancelling 2 by 2, then it will be 4 by 3. Now that equal to 1 by 6 a square minus 6a by 6 plus 4 to the 8 by 6. Now I am taking 1 by 6 common. 1 by 6 common. Then a square minus 6a plus 8. Now same, I am going to do grouping of terms here. First term should be multiplied to the last term because already it is in order. That is a square into 8 is equal to 8a square. What are the factors of 8? 1 into 8, 2 into 4, and next 4 into 2 reverse. So here I need to get minus 6. The middle term is minus 6. So that is 2 into 4 I am getting. So here I am getting, when I am adding these two, I am getting 6. But I need minus 6. So both I am taking negative. So here minus 2 and minus 4. that is minus 2x comma minus 4x. Multiply these two, is I'm getting 8 a square minus into minus is plus 4 2s are 8 a into a square. So these are the factors of 8a square. Now that equal to 1 by 6 into a square minus 2a minus 4a plus 8. That equal to 1 by 6 into, in this what is common? A is common, a minus 2. In this minus 4 is common, a minus 2, because minus into plus. So here minus into minus is plus, I am getting my correct term. Okay, again in this common, 1 by 6 into a minus 2 is common, a minus 2 into remaining term is a minus 4. So these are the factors of 1 by 6 a square minus a plus 4 by 3. Next question is 33rd question. Find the factors of a minus b whole cube plus b minus c whole cube plus c minus a whole cube. Now here it is in the form of a cube plus b cube plus c cube. This is a, I am taking b, c equal to 3a b c. One identity is there where a equal to a minus b, comma b equal to b minus c, comma c is equal to c minus a. So I am going to substitute these values here. That value is 3 into a minus b into b minus c into c minus a. The total value is equal to 3 into a minus b into b minus c into c minus a. So one of the factors is 3 into a minus b into b minus c into c minus a. This is the factors of the term a minus b whole cube plus b minus c whole cube plus c minus a whole cube. Children, next question is factorize. That is question number 38. Factorize a cube plus 3ax by 8 plus x cube by 64 minus 1 by 8. I need to factorize this. Okay children, so I am expanding. A cube plus, so this x by 3 I am expanding, that is x by 4 whole cube equal to 4 cube value is 64 plus of minus 1 by 2 whole cube. So this one gone, this gone, and this 3. I am expanding into cubes plus 3ax by 8. This is the question there. Now it is in the form of a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to, formula is a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca, where a equal to a, b equal to x by 4, comma c is equal to minus 1 by 2. So I am going to substitute. Already this is the form, because why I am taking plus 3 means here minus is there for this. So that's why I am taking minus 3ab changes to plus 3ab. So this term I am expanding here. 3 into a value is a, b value is x by 4 into minus 1 by 2. Okay, this indirectly it is minus 3ab. That's equal to 3ax. Minus into minus is plus 3ax by 4 2s are 8. So is I am getting the same answer. So that's why I am using this formula. That equal to a plus x by 4 plus of minus 1 by 2 into a square plus b square value is x by 4 whole square plus of minus 1 by 2 whole square minus of a into b value is x by 4 minus bc b value is x by 4 into minus 1 by 2 minus a value is c value is minus 1 by 2 into a. Now simplify this, that's equal to a plus x by 4 plus into minus is minus 1 by 2 into a square plus x by 16 x square by 16 x by 4 into x by 4 is x square by 16 plus here minus 1 by 2 whole square is minus 1 into 1 by 2 into 2, that is minus into minus is plus 1 into 1 is 1 by 2 2s are 4 plus into minus is minus ax by 4 minus into minus is plus x by 8 minus into minus is plus a by 2. So this is the answer for a cube plus 3ax by 8 plus x cube by 64 minus 1 by 8. So this, in this way we are going to factorize either by using identities or by grouping of terms. Children, next is if the terms are not cube, that means the power is more than 3, then we'll go for the long division method or synthetic method. Factorize the next question, that is page number 5.6, 5.26, question number is 46th. Factorize 6x to the power of 4 minus 5x cube minus 38x square minus 5x plus 6. I need to do the factorization. So here same way I am going to assume, and by trial and error method I am going to find one factor. By using that factor, either I may do with long division method or Horner's synthetic method. So here I am taking, let f of x equal to the given term, I am going to write it in ascending order or in descending order of power x. So 6x to the power of 4, next will be x cube term, that is minus 5x cube, next is x square term is 38x square minus 5x plus 6. Now I am going to substitute, put x equal to 1, then f of 1 equal to 6 into 1 to the power of 4 minus 5 into 1 cube minus 38 into 1 square minus 5 into 1 plus 6. So that equal to 6 into 1 to the power of 4 is 6 minus 5 into 1 cube is 5 minus 38 into 1 square is 38 minus 5 into 1 is minus 5 plus 6. So that value is equal to 6 minus 5 is 1, 1 minus 38 is 37, 37 minus 37 minus 5 is 42, 42 plus 6, minus 42 plus 6, minus 42 plus 6 value is minus 36, minus 36 is not equal to 0, hence it is not a factor. Same way I am going to take x is equal to minus 2, then I am going to substitute f of minus 2 equal to 6 into minus 2 whole to the power of 4 minus 5 into minus 2 whole cube minus 38 into minus 2 whole square minus 5 into minus 2 plus 6. That equal to 6 into 2 to the power of 4. The power is even number, so hence the answer will be positive. 2 to the power of 4 is 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16 minus 5 into 2 cube is 8. The power is odd, then automatically if the number is negative, the answer will be negative. Minus 8 minus 38 into 2 square value is 4. We are even power, so I am going to get the positive value. Plus into minus is, minus into minus is plus, 5 2s are 10 plus 6. That's equal to 16 6s are 96 plus minus into minus is plus, 5 8s are 40 minus 38 into 4 is 152 plus 10 plus 6. That's equal to, total value is 152 minus 152. equal to 0. Hence x minus 2 is equal to 0. X equal to minus 2, that implies x plus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore x plus 2 is a factor of f of x. That f of x is equal to 6x to the power of 4 minus 5x cube minus 38x square minus 5x plus 6. So this is a factor. Now here power is 4. Now I am going to get 4 factors. Now I got one factor. The remaining 3 I am going to find. So I am going to find the remaining factors by Horner's division method. So here I am going to take only the coefficients, that is 6 minus 5 minus 38 minus 5 plus 6. Now x is equal to minus 2 because x is equal to minus 2 is a factor. Now here 0 I am taking. 0 into 2 is 0, that means here 6. Now 6 into minus 2 is minus 12. Then answer is minus 17. Add these two and the negative symbol here, minus 17. Minus into minus is plus. 17 2s are 34. Minus 38 plus 34 is minus 4. Minus into minus is plus. 4 2s are 8. The answer will be minus 3. Minus into minus is plus. Sorry, here minus 5 plus 8 is plus 3. Plus into minus is minus. 3 2s are 6. Now the answer will be 0. Okay children. Next I am taking x equal to 3. Then I am going to get value or not, I will check it. 0. Then 6. 6 into 3 is 18. 1. 1 into 3 is 3. That is minus 1. Minus 1 into 3 is minus 3. Again I am getting 0. Okay children. Then x minus 2 is a factor. X minus 3 is a factor, and remaining is 6x square plus x minus 1. Now for this I am going to factorize 6x square plus x minus 1. So again same last term and the first term I am going to multiply. Then I am going to get the answer is 6x square, that is plus into minus is minus 6x square. Factors of 6 is 2 into 3. When I am adding and subtracting I need to get the middle term. So here middle term is plus, so I am going to take for the greater one minus. So automatically 2x comma minus 3x are the factors. Now factors of 6x square plus x minus 1 is x minus 2 into, as I am writing the remaining factors, and here next is 6x square plus 2x minus 3x minus 1. That's equal to x minus 2 into x minus 3 into, in this common is 2x, then 3x square, 3x plus 1 minus 1 I am taking common, 3x plus 1, that equal to x minus 2 into x minus 3 into, in this common is 3x plus 1 and remaining is 2x minus 1. So these are the factors of 6x to the power of 4 minus 5x cube minus 38x square minus 5x plus 6. So I said power is 4, then I am going to get the 4 factors, 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 are the factors of the given expression. Thank you children.